Behind every clothing label lies a story not just of design and production, but of the lives and environments it touches. How fashion is made matters now more than ever. Q Collection, a family-run business from Singapore, has been proving there's a different way forward.
It was more the thinking of doing good rather than looking at it as a sustainability practice. Then with time, when sustainability became a thing, when the clients started coming in and saying, what are the practices? That's when we, had a more formal guideline or formal idea of what sustainability was. But really when we had started it, it was more just from the wanting to do good as opposed to following the sustainability route.
Energy and water are major challenges for the fashion industry, but Q Collection is tackling this head-on with solar-powered facilities, rainwater harvesting systems, and much more.
Right now, we are pushing the boundary further with a zero liquid discharge system. This means that every drop of industrial wastewater is treated, recycled, and reused. Nothing goes back into the environment. So ZLD isn't just about compliance, it's also about responsibility, especially in this part of Bangladesh where water is a sacred, scarce resource over here.
Meanwhile, back on the factory floor, machines like electrocutters and 3D knitting systems reduce material waste and improve efficiency.
Digital cutting reduces setup time, and 3D knitting becomes almost like a one-step process, shortening the lead time. On quality, digital systems ensure consistent fit, fewer errors, and less rework, delivering more reliable garments with less waste. Waste fabrics are recycled into secondary products or diverted into recycling streams instead of landfills.
It's not just machines. Q Collection uses digital tools like Sattva to track its environmental and social impact in real time. And they put their people first through projects like Q Care, an on-site medical facility.
I actually reduced some of the detailing on this. So it's so cute.
The company's values go beyond its people and production. Rawbought, its family-owned loungewear brand, is built to last, challenging not just how fashion is made, but how it's consumed.
I don't think the biggest problem in the fashion industry is always how products are produced. I think that's a very big part of it. The other part of it is how products are consumed. I think that customers are shopping into trends, they're shopping into cheaper items, and they're very comfortable to throw things away and not give it the love and attention that it deserves. I think it also comes down to changing consumer perception. Our way to do that was create really high quality products that have the ability to stand the test of time, create products that people will want to wear again and again.
So when I think about the future, it is about building a future-ready supply chain where climate action, transparency, and human dignity go hand in hand. By 2030, our goals are very clear. We want to cut our water footprint by 30%, reduce our greenhouse gas emission by 56%, grow our renewable energy across our operations, and ensure that every one of our workplaces is not only just safe, but a place where people can genuinely thrive.
Q Collection's long-term vision is rooted in care, not just for the planet, but for its people.